Hello adventurers and welcome to the club. Today we're turning one of those Vaseline containers into a hideaway fire starting kit. Let's get started. Let me move behind the camera. Yeah, I hope you can hear me because I'm talking in a different direction. And first of all, I'm taking those stickers off. It's a transparent one. Now you have a Vaseline tattoo. And the second sticker being on here. Now you see why I love those containers. They are blue. Blue is the best color to find in the woods. They are made out of PVC. Oh, actually PP, polypropylene. 05. Very durable. They screw shut, so they're definitely tight. And now we're turning them into a fire kit. So, container aside for a moment, I have those matches here. Matches are far more reliable than lighters. I had a lighter in a survival kit, and after a while I noticed the lighter was empty. It wasn't pressed in or anything, it just evaporated. So, those matches here, they are like $1 for all of them here, or even less. They are dirt cheap. I got one, last one open here. Good old matches. I've got those fire starting tinder cubes. Oh no, I said the tinder was. Now the ads will be dating related for the next year again. So, now I'm taking a piece of kitchen paper and I'm wrapping the box of matches into it. This is because this container has still a residue of Vaseline in it and I don't want it to get onto the striker surface. I also don't want to wash it out because the little residue of Vaseline that gets on here will later be a part of the fire starter. I keep them in a Ziploc bag so the chemicals don't evaporate too fast, but they are dirt cheap, so it wouldn't matter too much. My old made in communist East Germany pocket knife. Video on this is somewhere on my channel. Making this here so you can see what I'm doing. Hold the container next to it and see how large of a piece we can use. Where's the opening? There's the opening. Yeah, let's just guesstimate. We need about this much. No, don't fall off the table. Yeah, about this much. It breaks very easy. It is crumbly, I don't want to have it all over my table. Let's see if I've measured this correctly. With this little piece I will show you how it burns later. So, let's open the container. Put in the matches. All in white, and obviously I've measured too big, not a problem. I'm cutting a piece of it off, just like this. Now we're putting it in. So now we got a box with matches and a fire starter cube in it, ready to be used. But now let's put right on it what's in it. matches plus tinder, and on the bottom we write the date. This is December 2024. And this little kit, you can put it in your backpack or whatever, but this special one here I will hide together with a little self-made tin can hobo stove, a knife and something to boil water in, somewhere in the woods, because we're having rough times and it doesn't harm to, well, make it like a squirrel. Hide some little nuts everywhere. So now we're going to hide it, and I recently found the perfect place for it. Stumbling around the woods, it's always nice. It's starting to get dark. But here it is. See this fallen dead tree? Yeah, this should be the perfect hiding place. Just putting it. See? Nobody can tell that this was ever here. So, I hope you like this idea, and don't worry, I will go back there, see if it's still there, and we will test it together and we'll film it. So, stick around, it is worth it. Yes, I have to do a bunch more of them.